Lady Tsogyal asked the Master, "Which vital point contains every type of samadhi?" The Master replied, "The samadhi of suchness is the vital point of all samadhis. Other samadhis change and do not last. The samadhi of suchness is dharmata, your true identity. It is the unmistaken, original nature, as it is, the uncontrived, true identity. Simply to be this nature, the emptiness of the samadhi of suchness includes every other type of samadhi, without exception, as they are contained within this very state. Every possible type of dharma and every aspect of the awakened state, as countless as they may be, are, without exception, contained in the non-striving state of original emptiness, as it is. It is therefore known as having brought together all samadhis within a single vital point.